Hello student, I'm Tanu. Now I'm sharing this video fundamental of computer system. In this video I explain what is the fundamental of computer system and introduction of computer, characteristic, history, generation of computer. Now definitions of computer. Computer is an electronic device which process user data as per instruction to produce a desired output. कंप्यूटर शब्द जो डिस्क्राइब हुआ लैटिन वर्ड कंप्यूट से डिस्क्राइब हुआ इट मीन्स कैलकुलेशंस कंप्यूटर इज ऑलरेडी calculation machine. Computer system includes a computer peripheral device. It means computer is not a single machine, it is a collection of device like input device, output device. Now it accept input, process data, stores and produce. It means compute in short term we can say that computer is a IPO cycle, means input, processing, output. First, what is input? Input is a collection of data or instruction into the computer like keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner. It is also input device. Next, data. Any type of raw information or fact is called data. डाटा हमारा लेटर्स, पिक्चर्स, कमांड, स्पेशल कैरेक्टर, मीन्स डाटा हमारा कुछ भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट, प्रोसेसिंग इज द मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ डाटा एज पर द गिवन इंस्ट्रक्शन. इट कन्वर्ट्स द डाटा इनटू मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन. Next, CPU. CPU is also processing device. It control the operation all the part of computer. Next, output. Output is the result obtained from a computer system after processing. Next, memory. Computer memory is a physical device capable of storing information, volatile, non-volatile. Volatile means टेम्प्रेरी मेमोरी लाइक रैम मेमोरी. जब कंप्यूटर पर करंटली वर्क करते हैं देन हमारी टेम्प्रेरी मेमोरी वर्क करती है. जब डाटा सेव कर देते हैं देन वो हमारी नॉन वोलेटाइल मीन्स परमानेंट मेमोरी. And it is a diagram of processing of computer. Firstly we given instruction through keyboard, then processing, after then processing show the result, that is output, after then save the data. Next, computer programs, hardware, software. Hardware means it is a physical device of computer system. It is hardware. Software it is a collection of programs. Here is a diagram of computer. Keyboard, CPU, primary storage, monitor. Like firstly we given through instruction keyboard, then he convert the data into meaningful information by CPU. CPU then store the data in memory. Next is to show the result, monitor. Next, capabilities of computer. Computer can capable use data storage. Computer can capable to produce data input and output. Processing like CPU control the working of overall computer. Next, there are the major characteristics of computer system. First, high processing speed. It means computer are very fast. Their working speed is in microsecond, nanosecond and picosecond. They are capable performing calculation of very big data. Next, accuracy. It means computer are very accurate. They perform all jobs error free. Computers जितना भी वर्क करता है error free वर्क करता है. Next, reliability. Computer is perform the user friendly work. It can be used easily, not a difficult task to perform the output or input. Next, versatile. Computer are very versatile machine. It means they can solve a complex scientific problem and play game, etc. Next, diligence. It means unlike human beings, computers are free from tiredness and lack of concentration. They cannot repeat work with the same speed and accuracy. Now, history of computers. Now you see the diagram, and before the Europe calculation are made with abacus. Firstly invented abacus by the Chinese 1,000 years ago. Abacus is used only to count, add and subtract by moving the beads up and down. Next, next था हमारा next उसके इन्वेंट हुआ नेपियर बोन्स. इट in 1617. It is used for multiply and divide numbers. After then invent Pascal in 1642. It is used only used for add and subtract member. It can maybe used multiplication by repeated addition and division, repeated subtraction. Next, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage and enlightening engine. Now generation of computer. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. First generation use mechanical calculators. Second generation use vacuum tube transistor. Third integrated circuits. Fourth microprocessor. Now you see the table of generation of computer. There are the pictures of generation of computers. Use integrated circuit, vacuum tube. First features of first generation. In first generation's computer is very expensive and very large. It produces a lot of heat and very working very slow. Next, second generation of computer. It is cheaper and more reliable, but produce lesser heat and work faster compared of first generation. Now, third generation. It small size and less costly. It is used operating system concept. Next, fourth generation. Fourth generation use for storage, use floppy disk and other device to store data. Smaller and cheaper, work faster, use microprocessor. And next, fifth generation. Generation use artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing. The diagram of computer and computer device. Thank you.